guys, me again, and Craig Taylor. Yep. We're gonna do two Nerf gun reviews. Yeah. First Nerf gun is Craig's Stockhead. He's going to do that
elite
review.
gun.
Yeah.
Elite gun upgraded version barricade. As you can see, it's got a little hatch there. So when you push it on, it
turns on. Yeah.
But there is a switch back there. So if you do that.
Yeah. Do you wanna? I'll do the buttstock for the moment. I'll tell you, the buttstock's cool as well. Do you wanna talk about that?
You have to pull both.
Yeah.
It holds darts, which is quite useful. It wouldn't hold a clip because that'd be pointless since it holds 10 darts and 10 things there.
You can do a mod where you can turn it with a clip, but we don't want to mod our guns. Well, not our good guns anyway. So yeah.
Good. It does have tactical rail.
Pokemon Ball.
Does have a tactical rail. That's quite good.
Yeah.
I'd recommend it. Semi-auto, recommend it for Nerf Wars. Quite handy dandy. Archie's Nerf gun?
Yeah, the handle is cool as well. It doesn't have one of them bullet holders. That's the only downfall.
Mind you, it's got like.
Yeah. The weird thing is though, it's only got one of them attaching things. Because now we can have like them things where you gotta hold it around your neck or something. But that one doesn't have that. Right. So do you wanna?
Yeah.
Finish off with that?
Out the window.
Next gun is the Speed Swarm. I'm gonna do with Craig here. He sits next to me. Speed Swarm. It's not that quick actually, as it says. It's not as quick as like the Vulcan or the It's not as quick as the Vulcan or Stampede. It's it's a quick gun. It's part of the new Dark Tag series of Nerf guns. Really cool. It's like it's good in Nerf Wars actually, is because you can go semi-automatic and fully automatic. And what?
It's 22.
Alright, yeah. And it's pretty cool. And I'll it's about £20, isn't it?
$21.99, yeah.
$21.99. Don't use that Pacific, Craig. It's good gun. I recommend it in Nerf Wars. It's good for secondary actually. It's because
plus it's a one-hand gun, which
it's pretty heavy.
Freaky, though.
Yeah, I would hold it if depending how strong you are. You know, I can hold it like that. It's because I'm pretty strong. See my mustard. I'm pretty strong. I like holding it like that though. It's pretty cool, but like that, it's cool. Like,
you're like a good shot at the webcam.
Yeah, good shot.
So made your computer really like.
Yeah.
You know what to do.
Yep.
Subscribe. Say the other words.
Rate, comment, and subscribe.
Peace out. Peace.
See you guys for our next video. Probably gonna do one in a few days.
2 of our Nerf gun reviews.
Part 2, yes, part 2. Instead of having pistol like small ones, we're gonna do some big long ones. Probably.
Yeah.
Probably about next week or maybe tomorrow. You never know.
We'll do, and then after we've done the rifles, we'll do the next. I think he would have came by then.
Yeah, his
small gun.
Small gun.
That'll be our mystery gun.
Right. So rate, comment, subscribe.
Like we said.
Peace out.